Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Friday, February 12th, 2010. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 39 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning, and right before the open, we actually had a potential half gap trade that was right on the borderline. It was basically on the cusp of violating our rules. I do not have it showed here. If you took that trade, you could have had a 2-tick loss. So we don't have it shown here, but it was a borderline trade, and you might have had a 2-tick loss on the gap trade this morning. But after the market opened, we came in. We had the news trade at 9:55. We actually got an extension long that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks. And coming out of that news, they immediately sold it off. We actually got a signal to get short. Hit our first target, did not get the follow through we were looking for. Ended up with a 2-tick loss in that trade as the market again bounced to the upside. Gave us a long entry. Produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 12 ticks. So real quick there this morning, we had 3 fast trades. And the market went up towards its Globex level, actually started trading back down through its moving average. We got a signal to get short at the 10:45 confirmation time. No follow through on that trade for us to the downside. Actually got stopped out of our second contract for a 2-tick loss on that particular trade. And then finally the market did turn over, gave us an opportunity to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 6 ticks at 11 o'clock. And as soon as we hit that target, back up through the moving average. Signal to get long, targets 1 and targets 2 for 8 ticks, and then the market just continued to rip higher all the way into our lunchtime reversal period. Now, we don't take any trades between 11:30 and 1:15, but had you been, the market did overturn and actually gave you a signal short. The trade was always well on its way by the time we got back into the market at 1:15, so we had to wait for our next setup. Our next setup came. It was a nice one. Produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 10 ticks at 2 o'clock. And then the market just started ripping higher all the way back up to our previous day's close. Found some resistance there, came back down, and there was actually another setup. But again, we stopped trading at 3 p.m., so the other trade setup to the downside we did not get to participate in. So basically that was it for us. We ended up with 7 trades for a total of 39 ES ticks. And I want to again mention that if you took the pre-market gap trade, it would have been a 2-tick loss on that questionable setup. So indeed, you could have had 8 trades for 37 ES ticks. But officially, 7 trades, 39 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room, our video newsletter, please visit us at eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.